Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com, and we are looking at the euro US dollar with let's say bullish eyes, not based on the outcome or on the lower time frames here, but we are looking for long-term horizon, if I may say so, or medium-term horizon, and for that we want to buy call options but with end of month expiration date. So make sure that your broker offer end of month. Normally you'll have such an option to expire on any serious binary options broker. We are trading with Lion Eye, and therefore we have that kind of possibility. I'm looking at this to be a contracting triangle, like you probably already know, the triangle that started from this moment of time. So with these highs here. I'm looking for this triangle to go and form the A, B, C, D, E legs. This to be the first. Let me take a polyline. So this should be wave A to the downside, completed. The B wave to the upside, completed. The C wave to the downside, completed. The D wave here is not completed, the D wave, as we need to have a clear B to D trend line. So most likely we'll have a D wave somewhere around here, then an E wave to come here like this, something like this, and then of course a spike to the upside and the triangle to break higher. What I'm trying to say is that we are in now the possible D wave, and this would be our scenario, and the triangle should travel like any other triangles within the A and C and the B to D trend line. But again, the B to D trend line needs to be bigger than this one here, because it is mandatory for price not to have the B to D trend line being broken by any parts of the previous C or the future E wave to come. Therefore, we're looking for the D wave here to the upside, which is not completed, is still to come. And judging by the fact that this is Thursday, I would say that market will end up and we'll close the week with higher values, or higher values than this one here. It remains to be seen, but in order to avoid that volatility, I would like to go and trade binary options here with end of week expiration date. So not end of month like mentioned earlier. Let's go with end of week, as the D wave still needs to come somewhere around in this area. It might be also end of month, but let's not be picky and be a bit disciplined here. So this is the reason we are looking for new highs to come in the euro US dollar. I would say 37.20 area to come, probably today. If not today, then tomorrow. That will be the target. So buying call options, let's write here. With end of week expiration date. You might say, well, end of week is kind of a lot. It is not, as end of week means tomorrow, 21 GMT, Friday, by the time the US markets are going to close. That is our expiration date, and this is what we are looking for here on fairbinaryoptions.com. Now, whenever you buy call options, you're looking for price to move to the upside and the expiration date to be bigger than your striking price, even with 1 pip, and you'll get your return. And usually this one, in the case of binary option, goes more than 70, 79, 80%, and even 90% in some cases, and depending on the option you choose to trade. Now, the euro US dollar is one of the most traded currency pairs, both on the regular market, spot market, and on the binary options one. So therefore we choose to trade this one today. A, B, C, D, and then an E wave, and then price to move to the upside. That is our analysis. Again, thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and all our analysis here are possible due to the help of our sponsor, Lion Eye.